Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to update AOL application. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device, if it's an iOS device or an Android device. So for now, I'm just going to launch App Store on my device. Now once you are here at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the option of search. Just tap on it. Now just go to the search bar and simply search for AOL. Here we go. Now simply tap on the application that is on top. Now once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and you will be able to update your AOL mail application to its latest version. So here's no option of update as I recently updated my AOL application. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.